Hello students, welcome to my channel, and this video is for Icse class 10 students, and you know that your exam will start from 29th November. I'm going to share some geography questions for the exam, and you know in specimen paper they have shown that 10 questions will come from topographical part. So this is very vital for your exam. So let's start the video. Number 1. What does the black curve in 4488 indicate? So they shows us the grid reference. Grid reference can be divided into two. 4-figure grid reference system, the another is 6-figure grid reference system, and here you can see four numbers. That means they shows us the 4-figure grid reference system, and here the first two are indicating the longitudinal line and the second two indicating the latitudinal line. So according to 4488 they shows the grid this one. Okay, so another type of grid reference may be which is known as 6-figure grid reference system. Here the numbers can be like 444, 888. That means here 6 number is there, and in details they are showing the grid reference. Okay, so according to the question, what does the black curve in 4488 indicate? So they are indicating the broken land. Why? Here you can see some this type of shapes. So these are basically used for showing the broken land. Okay, so the answer is broken land. The next question, what does figure 16R indicate 3887? So by 3887 they are showing this grid, and in this grid what type of features they are indicating by 16R, and here you can see the value 16R. By this 16R what they are showing, so they are showing us the height of sand dunes. So here also you can see 9R, that means the height of the sand dunes here is 9 meter. Okay, and these are the sand dunes. Okay, so the correct answer is height of sand dune. Next question, what is indicated by point 542 written in 4294? So in map 4294, that means 4294, here you can see point 542. So what they are mentioning? So they mentioning us spot height of that area and 542 meter. We can show the height of a place by three way. So one is by spot, and the another will be done by a triangle, and this is the triangulation height or triangulated height, and the another is by BM, that means benchmark height of that area. Okay, so this point 542 shows us that the highest height of that area is 542 meter. Next question, what is the main occupation of the people living in the area shown on the map extract? So in that area what type of occupations are basically we can see. So we have to know that what they use for by the colors, and here yellow patches, you can see yellow patches. So yellow patches shows us the agricultural land. So the correct answer is agricultural land. So if agricultural land is there and the crops are there, that means we can say that in that area the people's main occupation is agriculture. Okay, the next is, what type of drainage pattern is found in 4488? So again in 4488 what type of drainage pattern we can see? So we can see what type of drainage pattern, and basically here you can see that this type of drainage lines are there. Okay, and they shows us the radial type of drainage pattern, and where this type of drainage patterns we can see, so where in the surrounding areas there have the mountains, and in between these there have a. Next question, what does the brown patches in 4189 indicate? 4189, what they indicating here? So presence of sand dune, already I have discussed that these are mentioning the dunes or sand dunes. Okay, so they are actually showing the presence of sand dunes. Next question, name the type of settlement in 4286. So 4286, what type of settlements are there? 4286. So here what type of settlement is there? So you can see in that part there have this type of settlement. The road is there, and that beside the roads there have the settlements. Okay, so this is one type of linear settlement. Next is what is indicated by figure 364 written in 4086. So 4086, that means in this grid what this value showing, that means here you can see one triangle is there, and after that there are 364. So that means this actually shows us the triangulated height, because this symbol shows us the triangulated height. So the answer is C, triangulated height 364 meter. Next question, what does the blue line in 3992 indicate? So 3992, in this grid we can see a blue line. So what they are showing? They are showing thin perennial water channel. So you can see this is the area or width of the river, but it is a non-perennial river. That means in summer season they actually reduce the availability of the water, and in that way they make a narrow channel. So this is actually a thin perennial water. What type of road is found in 4485? So 4485, what type of roads are there? So here you can see two type of roads. One is railway line, another is national highway. So NH 14 is there, that means national highway number 14. So both can be answered, railway line and NH 14, but in options you can see there have not any option with railway line. So the answer should be national highway. Okay, so these are the 10 questions. Next day I will show another 10 questions from topographical map. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.